Welcome to SAP Codem Learning Hub.
Hello end users, today we will be talking about the advanced data analysis feature of ChatGPT. Advanced data analysis feature was previously known as code interpreter. This tool allows ChatGPT to perform complex data tasks such as analyzing datasets, generating charts, writing and executing code, and solving mathematical problems. It's available to ChatGPT Plus subscribers using GPT 4.0. It visualizes data in seconds and does not require any coding skills. Now, ChatGPT can analyze different type of files, like it can analyze CSV and Excel files, JSON and XML files, text files, SQL dumps, and queries. Now, let us see an example. Here, I have an CSV file. CSV file is known as comma separated values. It is a simple text file used to store data in a table format. Now, this is a CSV file about the top 20 most populated countries in the world. Now, I will ask him to convert this into an RDBMS file. As you can see, this is the file which I sent, CSV file which I sent him. Send it. See, there are country names and the population. As you can see, there are top 20 most populated countries. Now let us see, it has given me an RDBMS file. I'll download this file. Now here I have an application that can access to RDBMS file. The name of the application is DB browser for SQLite. Here I will go and open database and I will go to the downloaded RDBMS file that ChatGPT gave me. And here I got it. So now I'll go to browse data, and as you can see I have got the RDBMS file. Now I will take the same CSV file and I will ask him to make a bar graph, a pie graph, and a wave graph. It's the same CSV file. It takes time. As you can see, here is the bar graph. Here is the population and here are the countries. Then this is a pie chart. As you can see, India has the largest population, then comes China, and here are the other countries. And the last one is a wave graph. Here is the population, and here is the countries, and this is the graph, wave graph. You can give him any type of CSV file and you can ask him to make graphs, or you can ask him to convert it into RDBMS file or any kind of file you want. Now it can also do other things with the same file. I'll just ask him what else can you do with the file. As you can see, it can fix any error and convert the values. It can reformat columns. It can split or merge columns. It can analyze mean, median, mode, and standard deviation, grouping and aggregating, sorting, filtering, ranking, detect trends or outliers. It can visualize into bar, line, pie, area graphs. It can format conversations, like it can convert it into JSON file, Excel file, XML file, or SQL file. And it can create an SQL database. Just now we created one. Prepare data sets for model training. Here are some real life use case for population projects. If you're having any project on population, you can use this. Budget calculations, school marks analysis, attendance records, business sales reports, survey results, interpretation. So this is all it can do with the CSV file, with any CSV file you give it. Now let us see one more example. Here I have a text file. I want to convert it into Excel file. So I'll ask ChatGPT to convert it into text file. Sorry, convert it into Excel file. Here I got the link, I'll download it and I'll open it. As you can see, I converted the text file into Excel file. You can choose any text file and ask him to convert it into an Excel file. Now the same example, I wanted to convert it into database. See, now I got the link, I'll just download it. Once the file is downloaded, I will open SQLite. I'll go to open database and in the downloads, I'll find the file. Now I'll go to browse data and I'll see the file in database. See here, the text file has been converted into RDBMS file. ChatGPT can not only analyze files, but it can also analyze images. Here I have a question paper, chemistry paper. Suppose I don't understand the 17th question and I want him to explain me and give me the answer. So now I'll ask him to answer me 17th question. So the question was explain Borac speed test. So here it explained me in detail what is Borac speed test. He first gave me the definition, then the principle, then the procedure, and an example, even a table, the color, and the conclusion. If you don't want such a long answer, then you can ask him to describe it into 50 words or describe in 200 words or in 100 words, anything you prefer. Because you can't write this big answer in the paper. So it's better if you ask him to answer in 50 words. I'll ask him to answer in, suppose, 100 words. Let's take 50 will be too short. See here, I got an answer in 50 words. 100 words, sorry. So this is how you can ask ChatGPT to analyze images. You can ask, you can give him any kind of image. You can give him graphs. You can give him question papers. Anything you don't understand, then you can give him the image and ask him to explain the thing in it. We can also convert text to PPT in ChatGPT. Now let us see an example. Here I want him to explain the impact of artificial intelligence on daily life. Now I want him to create a PPT. So I'll just add in the starting to create PPT. Like I want it of 10 slides. And it should be download I in a such a way that I can download it. Now here I'll download the PPT. And here is the PowerPoint PPT. As you can see, it has given me the answer in 10 slides, and each slide has some less information. Now I can see the outlook is so boring and simple. I want him to make the design better. So I'll just ask him to make it more attractive. Where if you want to add any specific details, then you can ask him to do that, and he will give you the output. Like if you want specific colors, specific design, then you can ask him to edit it that way. Now here I got a link. I'll download it. As you can see, it has changed the colors. And if you still don't like it, then you can enable editing and you can design it in your own style. Any text you want to add or anything else you want to add in it, then you can ask ChatGPT to add. So this is how you can ask ChatGPT to create a PowerPoint presentation in the last minute. If you are in a hurry to give a presentation or anything, so you can ask him to do not just PPT, it can also create text to files, it can create text to images and text to videos. We will further see that also, like how he will convert it into videos and images. Now let us see how can we create an interactive map using ChatGPT. Here I'll type a prompt. I'll say him to make me an interactive map of 20 most visited countries of the world and make them as 1 to 5 in green color, 6 to 10 in blue color, 11 to 15 in red, and 16 to 20 as yellow. And I'll tell him that when I hover in the colored dot of the respective country, I get the rank and the number of people visited. Give me the map in Python, which I can use in Google Colab. Now I am asking him to give me a map in Python so that I can use it in Google Colab. And here I am telling him that when I point on the respective country, then it should tell me the rank of the country, what rank, on which rank does it stand on, and the number of people visited in that country. Now here I got it's generating a code, Python code. Now I'll just copy this code and I will search for Colab, Google Colab, go to Google Chrome, search for Colab. You will have a Google Colab website. Open it, open a new notebook. Now here connect and name the notebook as interactive map, or you can name it as you like. Now here I'll paste the copied text from ChatGPT. As you can see here, I have generated. Now I'll just generate it. I pasted it and now I'll generate. As you can see here, I got a map here. For different countries, I got different colors, like the top 10, top 1 to 5 I said green, so here rank 3 I got as green. United States visitor 79.3, and whenever I select any country or any color, I'll see the rank, I'll see the number of visitors, the country name, and the size of the country. As you can see, I have got an interactive map. Now we will see one more amazing feature of ChatGPT, that is web search. So web search is the real-time internet access. Example, if you search for find the latest AI tools in 2025, it will summarize your result and give you the best result with clickable links. Now, what is the benefit of using web search? If you're a student, you can use it for research. If you are a business owner, then you can use it for data driven decisions. And if you are a content creator, you can use it for tracking, like what is the trend going on right now. And if you are an analyst, then you can go for fast prototyping. Now the web search feature, it actually ChatGPT has an cutoff limit of 2024 October. It means if you ask anything from ChatGPT, then it will only give you the answer limit of October 2023, because that's the last data which is fed to ChatGPT. But the web search option will let you search the latest news, and it will collect the information from browser and give you the answer. Now let us see an example for web search. I will enable the web search feature of ChatGPT, and here I'll ask him to find SAP jobs opening in Hyderabad, April 2025. I'll ask him to search for this. As you can see, it's giving me the latest news. Here there is Yesh Technologies and entity data, and here it gives me the link from where he took the information, and I can open it and see what actually is the job for and the details. Amazon you have, and if you want to know more, then you can go to naukri.com and Glassdoor, and you can search for SAP jobs over there too. Here it gave me the sources from where he took the information. You can go for the link and you can find the appropriate job. Now let us see one more daily life example. I want to know the current gold price rate per gram in India. Today's rate I want to know. So now here it's saying 22 karat gold is for 8,560 per gram, and 24 karat gold is 9,338 per gram. Now here it's saying that it's in major cities of India like in Chennai, Mumbai and Bangalore. You can see from where it took the information, and it's saying that the gold prices has increased recently, with 24 karat gold rising by rupees 319 per gram and 22 karat by the same amount. This is also the web link from where it took the information. Keep in mind that these prices do not include additional charges such as GST, making charges, or local taxes. Now it's saying that this prices which it's giving is GST free, and no local taxes or making charges that will be additionally paid. That should be additionally paid. If you are considering investing in gold, it's wise to monitor. Now it's giving me an advice that it's good if you invest in gold, it will be good for you in the future. And here it gave me the sources from where it took the information. So this is the web search option of web search feature of ChatGPT. So that's it for today. I hope you all have liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.